Hmm?
Back into the rug! We're at the beach today.
Morning, everyone. Today on the agenda is a whole lot of renovations. I'm gonna be doing wallpaper. I decided against those tiles that I posted about, and I got wallpaper, so we'll see how that works out.
Hello!
Hi! Say hi to the vlog!
Hi.
And we're gonna do edging on the upholstery in the dinette and on the edge of the couch.
Yeah!
It is finally below 90 degrees today, so I am going to get as much done as I can while I have 84-degree weather and not. Yesterday I think it was 97, but first we're having breakfast. Definitely a 2-cup day before I start this. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. What a day it's gonna be.
Yeah! It's gonna be a fun day because we're gonna paint rocks today.
Oh, we can paint rocks too, but first I gotta do stuff in the RV.
Oh yeah, can I paint rocks?
Yeah, but are you gonna help me in the RV first?
Yeah. Let's go.
Not yet. Bagels.
I'm doing this one.
Bagels first. Oh, yeah, we're gonna put up some pictures.
Yeah, I'm
in the
gonna do
RV.
that one. Yeah.
You gotta tell me where the stuff's gonna go.
Yeah.
You're gonna make everybody dizzy on this thing. Say bye for now.
Bye for now. Have a little Pascal.
Oh, cute.
Where's my big Pascal?
Big Pascal's in your room.
I'm in my room. Thanks.
He's so
Pascal.
cute.
Yeah, I'm the.
He hugs your arm and you can take him around, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's so cute.
He is so cute. We love our Disney pets.
Wait a minute.
Oh, and you're wearing Toy Story today too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and there's Olaf. We got lots of Disney stuff. All right, here goes nothing, guys. Right here. Does it look pretty?
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
That's so pretty.
It's me again. Cup number 2, day 2. And Eleanor wants to come say hi too.
I have stuff on my
We
kitchen.
are still working on organizing and renovating, so I'm gonna go do some more work in the RV today.
Fellies!
You can show them all the progress we made. Go ahead.
Come on.
How's it looking in here?
Yeah, good.
What did we do yesterday, Eleanor?
We did this.
Doesn't that look lovely?
Yeah.
I'm really super proud of that, actually. Hold on. We did finally figure out my Disney mug collection. I have been collecting these mugs for a long time. So I took my favorites and I put them in here. And of course the Disney travel mugs that you get when you go to Disney World. You get a refillable mug. So I just took 4 of them. We had a whole bunch, but the rest are just going to go in a box in storage. Oh, you're back.
Yep, I just want to go get a drink.
Oh, okay. So I covered up the staples where they had it all stapled down with this. And I'm currently over here doing it over here. So that's today's project. I'll do that. I have to do this one. And then this side of the dinette.
And this is my
And then you won't see. Watch out. I'll show them. I mean, they did a good job other than leaving these staples to be seen. So we're just going to cover them up, make them look a little nicer. I have to open up the next
It's like
thing
Elsa.
of glue.
It's like Elsa, you're taking it off.
We're out of glue. Oh, I'm taking the gloves off like Elsa.
Yeah.
Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, let it go. Wait, remember in Elsa the other movie? Let it go. Let it go. Cry at the end of the movie.
She cries at the end of the movie?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
I remember.
Oh. It's hot in here and the fumes are getting to me, so we're gonna take a break.
Yep.
I've got maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 more minutes of work to do. And then after that, we're gonna go to the beach. Get some fresh air.
We're gonna go to the beach, Mom?
We are gonna go to the beach!
Hooray!
We're gonna go fly a kite, okay? We'll take the vlog with us.
Yay!
We'll take you guys with us. It's pretty calm today. There isn't enough wind to fly a kite, unfortunately. But
There's 0 wind.
we can hang out. Ooh, that's a nice one, Eleanor. Let me see. Nice flat round one. Okay, do you want to dip your feet in?
Yeah, the rocks.
Oh man, careful.
I'm going. Oh my God.
Oh, okay. Come on, let's go stick our feet in. Ooh, another one. I don't think she's gonna be able to get up there. Going out on the rock. Oh, cool. Come on. Come on. Go ahead, do Ariel. What does she sing? Whoa. You gonna dip your feet in, dude? Okay. It's cold? The Long Island Sound. We have just little waves and lots of rocks. The North Shore of Long Island does not have sand. Well, I mean, we have sand, but it's more rocks than sand. It is not. It's tiny little waves. It's not like the ocean. Here, put your flip-flops over here. Hand them to me. Ooh! Let me not drop my phone in the water. Go ahead, go in. It's not that cold.
No.
It's not that cold, you wimp.
It's a little bit.
Carol, you sticking your feet in?
No.
Feels nice. Okay, we can walk. Do you want to walk? Which way? Which way should we walk? Which way should we walk? That way or that way? What do you think?
Can we swim though? I want to go. Papa!
All right, let's.
Come on.
Let me say. Oh, nice.
This one's mine.
No, all of them are mine.
We're just gonna take a little stroll down this way.
Great.
I'll swim. I will actually swim.
There's someone actually swimming right now. You will actually swim?
Walking backwards.
Those are very nice rocks. We're gonna paint rocks. Carol, make sure you grab a good rock right here. I kind of like it. What? I just found this one. That one's nice too. Mm-hmm.
Go into a different town.
Yeah. I think if we go that way, it's Shoreham, and if we go that way, Sound Beach. Yeah, cool, right?
That way.
If you keep walking, you eventually get to the end of Long Island.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
This is all one big beach, all the way to the end of Long Island. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be a nice one. You can do little ones?
Yes.
Okay.
No little ones.
She can paint whatever she wants, Eleanor.
I want to paint a big one.
Okay, you can paint a big one.
2 little ones equal 1 big one.
Mom, this is yours.
Oh, thank you.
It's a heart, right?
Oh yeah, it does kind of look like a heart. A little bit.
No, it looks like a heart.
Hmm.
Hey, this is good rock.
Oh, I like that one too.
3.
Oh, cool. You gonna paint all 3? Cool.
I'm gonna paint all 3. This one I'm gonna make like a note. This one I'm gonna make
Like
a spider.
write something for someone else to find. One of those ones where people are leaving them around.
Yeah. And then this one I might make a double-sided face.
Mm-hmm.
One sad, one happy. And then this one, I only know.
Okay.
I got 3 too.
What are you gonna do with yours?
I'm gonna paint all 3 too.
Okay. Yeah, so the next vlog, everyone can see us doing our project, our our rock painting project, right? That'll be the next vlog. I didn't even see ya. Cool. Eleanor, come on, we gotta go, baby. right, you got. You did it. It was like good climbing, big kid. All right, go. Do we have everything now? Was that pretty fun?
That was really fun.
Awesome. I like it.
Come in the little shack. Hi, Frog.
I'm just checking it out. It's all dry now. You know, it looks good. You like it?
I like the whole room.
I love it.
I love it.
I know. I like it too. I love the whole thing too.
Come in here.
What we're going to do on the next vlog?
We're gonna paint rocks.
Yep. So watch our next video.
Yep. And watch this now. And press.
Press the subscribe button.
Yeah. And press the bell.
The what?
The bell.
What's the bell?
Notifications.
Oh, for notifications. You're right. Click the bell for notifications.
Yep.
Say bye.
Bye. I love you, Frog. I'm gonna give you a hug.
Think.
I want to go here.
Oh, okay. I don't even know what you just touched. Go ahead. Do it again.
That one.
Oh, you know what that is?
Yeah.
Texas.
Texas.
Say, I want to go to Texas.
I want to go to Texas.
Me too. I want to go everywhere. I want to get every single
I wanna
one
go
on that map.
I want to go all across the state.
Hmm.
All over the state I want to go.
Yes.
Not hurt me.